ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः। ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगः। कामैस्तैस्तैर्हृतज्ञानाः प्रपद्यन्तेऽन्यदेवताः तं तं नियममास्थाय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया। यो यो यां यां तनुं भक्तः श्रद्धयार्चितुमिच्छति तस्य तस्याचलां श्रद्धां तामेव विदधाम्यहम्। सतया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते। लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्। सतया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते। लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्। सह हि तया with that श्रद्धया by faith or sincerity yuktah endowed tasya of that aradhanam worship ihate engages in labhate obtains cha and tatah from that kaman desires maya by me eva alone vihitan bestowed he indeed tan those. अंतवत्तु फलं तेषाम् तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसाम् देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि। अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषाम् तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसाम् देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि। Antavat, finite. Tu, but. Phalam, fruits or results. Tesham, their. Tat, that. Bhavati, is. Alpamedhasam, those of little understanding. Devan, to demigods. Deva Yajaha, the worshippers of demigods. Yanti, reach. Mat, my. Bhaktaha, devotees. Yanti, attain. Mam, me. Api, whereas. Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajananto mamavyayamanuttama. Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajananto mamavyayamanuttama. Avyaktam, unmanifest. Vyaktim, manifest. Apannam, acquired. Manyante, think that. Mam, me. Abuddhayaha, the foolish. Param, higher. Bhavam, state. Ajanantaha, not knowing. Mama, my. Avyayam, imperishable. Anuttamam, unsurpassed. Those who seek the demigods temporarily attain the lower heavens. Those who sincerely pray to the Supreme God attain Him eternally. But even the lower gains experienced by the seekers of the demigods are willed by the Supreme God Himself. For them, worshipping the Devatas is the first step to eventually realize their higher purpose. Man is often confused if the Supreme God is one with a form or is formless, and if the form of God evolved from His formless aspect. The truth is that God's form and formless aspects are no different from each other. He is eternal, imperishable, and beyond everything. Endowed with that Shraddha, he engages in worshipping that particular demigod and from that obtains the object of his desires. But in reality, those are indeed bestowed by me alone. But the fruits or results that these ones of limited understanding achieve are finite. The worshippers of demigods reach demigods, whereas my devotees surely reach me. The foolish think that I, the unmanifest, have acquired a manifestation. They are ignorant of my higher state that is imperishable and unsurpassed. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktaha Tasyaradhanamihate Labhate cha tatah kaman Mayaiva vihitan hitan. सतया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्। अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि। अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि। अव्यक्तं व्यक्तिमापन्नं मन्यन्ते मामबुद्धयः परं भावमजानन्तो ममाव्ययमनुत्तमम्। अव्यक्तं व्यक्तिमापन्नं मन्यन्ते मामबुद्धयः परं भावमजानन्तो ममाव्ययमनुत्तमम्।